Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a stand and please donate on Roblox mobile on app itself. You don't need to go to browser or any of that, right? So first of all, we'll load up your app, then press on more, that is on the bottom right, then go to as you can see here, create. Then here you need to scroll down a bit until you see experiences, and then everybody should have a default experience here. So just tap on it, then press manage experience, then press on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left. Then you need to go to monetization and then select a passes. Select this, then press create a pass. Then give it a name, for example, please donate. Then you can upload a picture if you want to, add a description, and then what you need to do here is to create pass. And once it's done, then just press on that particular pass, and then press on 3 horizontal lines, and then go to sales, then select item for sale, and put the amount of Robux that you want to get, right? And as you can see here, I put 500, and for every purchase, I will get 70%, which is 350. Save changes. And then all you need to do here, when pass updated successfully, you can go back, go to home, go to experiences and just write, please donate, right? Select the game. And in the please donate, what we need to do here, we need to go to the stands, accidentally here, and then we just need to claim stand that is unclaimed, right? And as you can see here, the 500 I just created, and I had 2 options for a 1000. And then you just need to press and hold on stand to edit, and then you can change booth. As you can see here, you can change the appearance. If you are eligible for that, you can change text. For example, please donate, or something along these lines, right? And then you can go back, change font, change color, and do a bunch of different things here as well. And after you're satisfied with that, press X, and your, as you can see here, donation booth will be here. And that's what you need to do here if you want to make a stand and please donate. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.